Comfort in domestic hot water is being redefined. Uninterrupted hot water supply, industry-leading new technologies, and less energy waste. This is Haier, brand new Endless Series gas water heater, HPW3. Choose the preset model that suits your house type. No need to worry about using a low water flow. The new water mix-free technology can sense as low as 1.5 litre per minute water flow, stable combustion, and no interruption of hot water. And in the summer, as the temperature rises, the Endless series will accordingly reduce combustion, mixing in warm surface water to maintain the desired temperature. Constant warmth, unchanging comfort. The Haier's innovative 5-segment combustion technology, allowing for accurate temperature control even with slight adjustments. The powerful FST can withstand various complex situations, ensuring continuous combustion. More than just comfort, the Endless series is maximizing value with minimal resources. Its intelligent water servo module significantly reduces the time it takes to produce hot water by precisely controlling the cold water flow when the faucet is opened, resulting in faster heating. And then, the water volume is intelligently increased based on the rise in flame power, achieving stable hot water output and reducing cold water waste. In addition to saving water, the 60 degrees Celsius model has an optional solar system to save gas as well. Furthermore, the Endless series dual-chip algorithm retains power-off memory, eliminating the need for repeated settings. Each product undergoes simulated water usage tests of over 250,000 times. Haier Endless HPW3 gas water heater provides you with endless hot water, energy savings, and a smart experience, contributing to a better life.